Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a table within 5 minutes. So here you can see I have index.html file, and here I will write HTML and then I will press tab. It will create basic structure for me, and here I will say table tag, and here for the table head I want to use t head, and for the t body table body I will say t body. In t head I will add row, so tr, and then th for the column. Let's say I need 3 columns, so I will copy it 3 times, and here I will say id, name and email. And for the t body also I need tr for the first row, and then td for all the column. I need 3 column here, so I will copy it 3 times. First I'm going to give it id, so let's say hash 001, and name let's say Milan, and email milan@gmail.com. I want to copy it the row multiple times, let's say 3 times. Why? Because I need to add 3 row, and here let's change it to 2, let's change it to 3. Here let's say Nitu, and here Tanvir, and here Tanvir. Now let's go in the browser and check it. Okay, here you can see we have a nice table. If I zoom in, you can see it. Now let's give it a look, nice look. So here in the head I'm going to mention style tag, because I want to do style for it in the same page. So I will say table curly braces, and here I'm going to say that okay, I want full width of 100%. I want text align center, and I want border collapse. Now let's go for the table row, but at first I'm going to refresh it once again, and here you can see we got the whole width. Actually I want to set background color, let's say background color gray. Refresh, so you can see nice background color. Here I'm going to say universal sign, margin 0, padding 0. Refresh. Okay, now I want to set a border radius, let's say 5 pixel. You can see slightly curved border here. All right, okay. Now I want to create space in between rows, so I'll say here tr, want to say padding, let's say 10 pixel, so it will actually create space inside all the row. But really I need to do here th and td, because I want space from th and I mean all the column. So refresh, now you can see we got space. And let's say I want to say here tr, so actually it will not take anything in the tr, because we have collapsed the border. Here you can see we have collapsed the border. All right, so now let's go for the td. So I will say td, and I will say here that okay, I want to actually I can do one thing, that there is a tr, let's say colon, a pseudo class, and that is let's say nth child, and I want to say even here, because I want to change the background color for even numbers row. Okay, the row are containing even numbers, that means it will change the color from 0 to okay. So let's change it, and I will say here that okay, I want to change the background color for the event row is, let's say, green, or let's say blue. Refresh. Now you can see we have changed the color for the event row, and actually I want to change the color for the th, so I will say here, okay, I want to change the color for th only, and I'm going to say that background color any light color, or let's say black, and I want to change the text color to white. Go refresh. Okay, so this is the nice table, and you can actually create table like this. Okay, I hope you understand, and if this video is helpful for you, make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.